Yeah, the real stalker shit there. When a man was in a bad place, well fuck it, I'm no watcher, yeah? I bring on Mac attack, blast and snack and smash with a dash of Asian, free Q's, cracker jack, EMVP, rap quarterback, and out of order like water tax. Spitting nonsense intelligently, who thought of that? The Mad Max class, yeah, born to slaughter jacks. More hardcore than horse, sport war on the floor, on all fours, sport in a porno stance. While I sit red stripe like the 18 van, getting paid like I'm waiting at the ATM. All the way from October through to September, I burn a big spliff with a ridiculous hit. Get money, get paper paid. Ain't nothing funny about currency, get paper made. Stay tough like leather, forever smooth like suede. You think I'm a lemonade, that cool, refreshing drink and only ice I drop on the hole, go clean. Don't be my promises, no friendship rings, just a hollow heart followed by a song to sing. Until the end of time, I'll be watching you like Sting, bitch. Every breath you take, every move you make, every orgasm you fake, I'll be watching you. Every time you bathe, when you're eating cake, every fucking day, I'll be watching you. Every time you cry, every time you lie, anytime you get high, I'll be watching you. Until the day I die, I won't be too far behind you, cause I got nothing better to do. Now really, what did you expect? You show me no respect, so I'll be there when you're sleeping, breathing down your neck. Your mind to protect, my mind is possessed. I'm obsessed with that ass, can get enough of those breasts. See, you can count on me being less than 10 steps behind, until the court order says otherwise. Why did God place paradise between those fires? How could I be so blind to believe those lies? Now I ain't that shit, not an ounce of pride, so I swear to forever stand by your side, whether you like it or not, cause you're the only one can help me. Even the voices in my head telling me this ain't healthy, but fuck me, fuck you and fuck the system. I follow you so long, my footprints will get blisters, and you won't see shit. You'll just hear my whispers, or you can keep my eyes, me I'll just keep my distance. Every breath you take, every move you make, every orgasm you fake, I'll be watching you. Every time you bathe, when you're eating cake, every fucking day, I'll be watching you. Every time you cry, every time you lie, anytime you get high, I'll be watching you. Till the day I die, I won't be too far behind you, cause I got nothing better to do. And yo, stupid is as stupid does, so I'm as stupid as you stupid fuck. Been stupid since Cupid nipped me in the butt. I was sprung till she fucked me off, now I'm just stuck like a tongue and stutter. I got kicked way past the curb, I was more than hurt, got straight served to the gutter. Now I'm back on my feet like a marathon runner, ready for more heat than a Caribbean summer. Looking for 3 stripes, I hope, with daddy dash. Reclining and vibrating like seats in first class. In yoga positions, I just beat it to submission. No intermission, just passed out from bashing so fast. Last year I had grass stains, this year I'm assed out. Next home I bounce, I ain't letting out the damn house. I hide the keys to the car, hiding in the backyard on a stakeout with my binoculars. Every breath you take, every move you make, every orgasm you fake, I'll be watching you. Every time you bathe, when you're eating cake, every fucking day, I'll be watching you. Every time you cry, every time you lie, anytime you get high, I'll be watching you. Till the day I die, I won't be too far behind you, cause I got nothing better to do.